How to verify ID on Prizepicks. Now, first things first, once you're trying to sign in or while you're signing up, it'll ask you to verify your account. However, if your account isn't already verified, once you sign into your account or log into your account, it will give you a prompt to verify your ID. How you can complete it? To complete this process, as you can read here, you only need your smartphone and a government issued ID such as driver's license or a passport. If you follow the instructions in the app, the verification process will take less than 2 minutes. Now, what happens after you submit your ID? After you submit a valid government issued photo ID, you'll be notified with one of the following status reports. One is verified. You'll receive a notification that says verification successful. You'll also be provided a link to the deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin playing Prizepicks. The two is to resubmit ID. The most common reasons for this are if you have submitted a blurry picture, improper lighting, or an invalid ID like a library card or debit card. Placed in review, a verification specialist will review your account information further. If you are denied, you'll unfortunately not be able to play on Prizepicks. Prizepicks reserves the right to deny verification to anyone as its sole discretion. For security reasons, we will not be able to provide specific information to individuals regarding why they were denied. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.